Welcome to my channel. 2025 Tata Star Script. However, the Tata Group has been actively expanding into various sectors, including the entertainment industry. In 2002, Tata Infomedia Limited announced plans to enter Bollywood by producing motion pictures, reflecting the industry's growing corporatization. More recently, the Tata Group has been focusing on significant investments and expansions. In 2014, they announced a vision to invest $35 billion over 3 years to position themselves among the world's top 25 companies by market capitalization. By 2024, they aim to create 500,000 manufacturing jobs in sectors like semiconductors, electric vehicles, and solar industries. Additionally, the Tata Group has been preparing to list 6 of its companies in 2025, including BigBasket, Tata Passenger Electric Mobility, Tata Capital, Tata Play, Tata Autocomp Systems, and Tata Advanced Systems. These IPOs reflect the group's strategy to unlock value across a diverse portfolio of businesses, from e-commerce and finance to electric vehicles and aerospace. If you could provide more context or details about Tata Star Script, I'd be happy to offer more specific information. Thanks for watching.